Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done choreography in a while, so this is what today's video will be about. Let's get started. Things to know, this choreography will be for all levels, but I might progress or regress some moves, okay? So don't feel like you can't do it, you can do it. All right? And before we start, I'm just gonna apply some pole poise extreme hand grip to my hands. Grab it all in. You can use my discount code Kenny10 if you would like to try it out. I'll link it down below. And if you haven't watched pull-up airwalk video yet, watch that video first and then come back, all right? So to start, you're gonna bring your hands over your head. You're gonna bring your chest to the pole, pull up, and walk for 4, 3, 2, and 1, and come down. Okay, so as you do your airwalk, your options are pulling up, flexing the feet, and maybe swiveling at the hips. And bring it down. One more time. Hands above your head, chest is close. Make sure you breathe. Pull up and walk. 4, 3, 2, and 1. On your last one, you're gonna step on the foot that's behind or facing the back wall. In this case, it's my right foot. My left foot is forward, right? Left leg. From here, I'm gonna circle that leg behind me, step behind the pole, cross, and then step out to the side. Again, just pulled up, step down on my right, left leg is forward, circle that left leg back, cross behind, make sure you step, see my legs are crossed, and step out to the side. So I'm facing the pole, but on the other side. One more time, step, circle behind, cross, step out. So if you want a little not trying to find nobody, maybe the pole, but sometimes. You can circle your ankle, right? Or you can kind of flex your foot, drag that heel on the floor, cross, and step out. All right? So after we did our step, you're gonna circle your right leg back, left leg back, and then right. Okay, one more time. We step behind, right leg is gonna circle behind, left leg circles behind, and then right leg circles behind. So, from this circle back, left leg is forward, cross it behind, step it out, left leg, right leg, left leg, and then right. Any questions? Well, at any point you have questions, just write them down in the comments. I mean, obviously I can't see you, but write them down and we'll figure it out from there, okay? So after we circle our right leg back, you're going to flex the right heel, pressing your heel into the floor and dragging it forward and going for your lunge. Again, you're going to circle that foot back, flex at the heel, pressing the heel on the floor, and again, dragging or gliding it forward. You want to make sure you're bending at the front knee and grabbing with your right hand. One more time. We did our circle back, flex, press that heel forward, lunge, okay, bend at the right knee. So as you lunge, your body starts away from the pole, then you bring your body closer to the pole, okay? So from the circle back, circle left, circle right, circle left, circle right, flex, press it forward, lunge, all right? From here, you have two options. So option one, you're gonna grab the pole with both hands. Well, your other hand is already on the pole. So you're gonna grab the pole on top, not on bottom, right? You're going to pivot. So now you lunge on the other side, okay? So all I'm doing, turning my body. My hands don't move, my arms don't move, just my hips and which way I'm facing. So right lunge, left lunge. Okay, right? So right and left. From here, you're in your bicep grip. So you want to make sure your armpit is in the pole and you're squeezing your bicep on the pole. You're grabbing, holding, squeezing, breathing. You're going to switch your legs and then open it up to the side. Okay? So again, we're in our right lunge. Right? Grab the pole on top. Going to pivot, so you're in your left lunge. You're going to squeeze and breathe. Switch your feet. Okay? And if you can, depending on what kind of heel situations you have, if you have on like the patent leather, it might be a little bit too sticky. These tend to glide a little bit more better. So you're gonna go on points and try to glide your feet across. So on point on the toe box of your shoe. Okay? So now we're on this other side and we're just gonna open it up. Okay? So from our right lunge to a second position. So your left knee turns out. If you're a little bit more advanced, right? Right hand's on the pole. You just switch your legs. You're gonna turn, squeeze, and switch. So you're gonna squeeze your bicep on the pole, just with one hand, and switch your feet. And then open it up, and the other hand could do whatever. All right? All right. Switch, open it up. From here, you can touch yourself. If your hand is still on the pole, maybe you could release the pole, circle it out, make it hot. Ooh. Maybe circle your head. Ooh. Oh, one thing I forgot real quick. So after this lunge, when we're lunging on our right, you can circle your head towards your left shoulder. So you can, so your audience knows you're switching sides. Okay, just a little extra if you want. Not necessary, but you know, just adding it in just in case anybody wanna try, right? And our second position. Wind it down, wind it down, wind it down, wind it down. Boom. From here, your inside leg is gonna come behind the pole, right? Notice, inside leg closest to the pole, is going to come behind, right? And I'm gonna go down to my knees. Okay, so I'm kinda in like a side lunge position, right? One more time. Second position, inside leg, slides behind, do a little pocket. So through and behind, now we're in our side lunge. From here, again, more than one option. You're going to go for your shoulder stand position. So option one, if you're still working on shoulder stands, you're going to bring your right hand, same as the bent leg, on the floor. You're gonna grab the base of the pole, knee all the way down. So notice my arm is in an L position, like a right angle, and you're just gonna lean over, okay? From here, your left leg, or the leg that was in the lunge, you're gonna bring it up and over, and you're gonna straddle the pole. So you can just stay here, right? If you want. If you want to bend your knees, you could do that, right? If you're a little bit more comfortable in your shoulder stands, right? come down, bring it up, straddle, maybe lift it up, add your clacks, whatever, and then bring it down. Okay? So one more time. We're in our lunge. We just did our thread through and came down. My right hand is gonna grab the base. My left hand is gonna grab on top. Both hands, my thumb is facing up. I'm gonna keep my arm in an L shape. I'm going to lean over to straddle the pole. Go for option 1 or option 2. So legs on the floor or legs up. Okay, in your straddle. From here, you're gonna release the top hand and bring that hand to the floor. You're gonna slide into your Superman. Okay, you see how I did that? I went from here to here. Release the inside arm, the arm that was on the base, and bring it up. Okay. So that was option 1, if you're still working on your Superman. I'm just raising my shirts up because for option 2, I need my skin, and these are kind of long. So, just did our straddle, right? Hand slides down. We're gonna squeeze the pole in between your legs. Trying to go for your plank push-up. Breathe. Maybe bend one leg, and then slide it down. Okay? So one thing to note, the higher your hips are, the more you can push up into your plank. So what do I mean by that? If you're in your shoulder stand, right, and your hips are here, you're not gonna be able to push up as much, right? But, I'm breathing hard here, okay? But if your hips are higher, let me find the pole. If your hips are higher, right, you're gonna make sure you slide all the way into your inner thigh and push up. And slide it down. Whew. We're working hard out here. Okay, so to continue. From there, you're going to push up to your downward dog, right? Notice I'm on my platform, I'm not on the bottom of the feet. I'm sliding on my platform. So down, push up. If you want to keep the pole like close to your inner thigh, you can. If you want to like circle it out, you can. So next, what's going to happen, you're going to bring your left foot forward. So whichever foot is in front of the pole, left foot forward, right foot forward, okay? So things to know, left foot forward, that foot stays in the same place, right foot forward, okay? Then you're gonna bring your right leg across, so you're in front of the pole, left leg comes forward, and then bring it down. All right, again, push up, left leg forward, right leg forward, right leg comes across, left foot goes forward, and bring it down. I'm gonna do this facing the back, so maybe you can see what it looks like, or what I mean, or maybe both ways. So we just finished our slide, and now we're in front of the pole. You can stay here in this position. If you wanna arch up, maybe bend the back leg, arch it down. If you wanna circle your hips, line it down, hi baby, whatever feels good for you, right? Option 1. Option 2, if you're on the flexier side, you can just extend that front leg so you go for your split, okay? Even if you're not as flexy, you can still extend that front leg. You just have to make sure your angle is correct so the audience sees a split. Okay? From there, you're gonna close your legs together, bend, turn towards your left shoulder, open your legs, and arch it down. Cross your arms to finish. We're gonna do the whole routine from the beginning. Okay, you can go at any pace you want to. I like to dance really slow just so I can control my movements better. But if you wanna move a little faster, that's completely fine, right? So ready, I got my grip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! I hope you got a little mini workout in because I definitely did. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you got through this whole video, make sure to leave a comment. And guess what? Giveaway time! Woo! So you can comment as many times as you want. And I'll choose a winner and we'll pick a pair of heels. It'll probably be a glitter heel, but read that little section note below in the caption for more information. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.